If your Infiniti fuel gauge suddenly reads empty and all your warning lights come on, don't go to the dealer yet. This 15-minute fix could save you thousands. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on my 2015 Infiniti Q40. And this problem had me thinking something was majorly wrong. My fuel gauge suddenly dropped to E, my ABS light, traction control light, brake light, and check engine light all came on, and they stayed on. The dealer diagnosed it as a bad AC Auto Amplifier and quoted me $2,600 to fix it. But instead of paying that, I replaced it myself for $69, and it took about 15 minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly what the problem is and how you can fix it yourself. This is the AC Auto Amplifier. This part here, the Infiniti dealer said is what I have to replace. I've replaced one in another G35 where the gas level kept reading E even though there was gas in the car. I bought this used for $100 and it worked fine in the other one. The Infiniti of Gwinnett in Lawrenceville, Georgia wanted $1,094 for this part right here. This is the replacement part here. I got used off of eBay. Here's the part number. 277501NN2A. I verified that number with the dealer. These work in 2010 G35s, G37s, up to Q40s, and even Q70s. Okay, guys, let's get to taking this off. I'm going to show you how to replace this. Is the AC Auto Amplifier. This is what it looks like. I'm going to show you how to get to it. There should be a screw down in here. This is too big to get in there, and one down in there. I don't believe I put mine back in. hold this up here to get this out the way, because I don't want to disconnect everything. All right, this is your AC auto amplifier. There's two connections in the back. You take those off. There's a bolt not a bolt. There's a screw right here on the side. It's a star, and there's a screw on this side. All right, guys, see, I just put this one in. It takes this star bit, right here. As you can see, that one right there. Sorry for me turning the camera. And that one right there. All right, I've already replaced mine. This is it. This is how it looks. So you're gonna unplug those two connectors, take the screws off, put it in, you're gonna plug it back in, and that's it. Screw. Okay, that's back in there. Let's put some of this back together. Reconnect this to this piece right here, which is this front bezel.
and stuff is due in 2,000 miles, so I'll leave that alone. And that's the completed change. Again, this is your AC auto amplifier. Sits on the back of the radio like that.
All right, guys, I just finished. It's reassembled. Let me crank it up, make sure she works. All right, the odometer is working because I see the tachometer moving. I see the gas needles correct. My seatbelt light is on because the seat belts are not on, but I had 4 lights on. I had the ABS light, the brake light, the service engine light, and traction control light was on, all because of this part right here, AC Auto Amplifier. Easy to replace. Do not get it from the dealer. I bought this on eBay. I think I paid $75 or $69 for it. This is her. This is the culprit. Again, you pop this off, take the radio out. You got 2 screws in the bottom, 2 screws up front, 2 screws here. This pops out and it's on top of the radio. Hope this helps you guys. And again, I'm good. Four-way flashers work. My info stuff is working. All right, sweet.